What if sustainability and patient convenience were no longer trade-offs, but united in one solution? That's YpsoLoop, a two-step auto-injector, pre-filled and ready to use. Injection is supported by Ypsomed's Click Guide technology for clear, confident feedback. Different therapies, different patients, the same seamless experience. But the effortless simplicity of a pre-filled auto-injector and sustainable responsibility are no longer in conflict. YpsoLoop is ready for take-back and real circularity. Designed for industrial disassembly, primary container, springs, and two bio-based monomaterial sub-assemblies effortlessly separated. One solution designed for adaptation. Built for scale, designed for integration. YpsoLoop is fully compatible with existing supply chain infrastructure, maximizing return on existing equipment investment. Making use of standardized primary containers, packaging, and shipping logistics, YpsoLoop is engineered to fit your process without rebuilding it. YpsoLoop, uniting sustainability and patient convenience. Because good solutions come full circle.